This used to be a house trying too hard to impress. Today, it's a sanctuary of silence, light, and breath. This is a return to what home is meant to be. The original house was built with ambition but lacked alignment. Heavy on visual weight, light on soul. The layout didn't breathe, decorative for the sake of being decorative. The pool was isolated, the light was suffocated. Design Block approached this renovation not as an update but as a cleansing. The goal to restore stillness, to invite light, water, and nature into every space, and to create a house that lives with its occupants, not just above them. Facade from ornamental to elemental. Void skylight becomes the soul. Pool transition from accessory to sanctuary. Garden integrated rather than adjacent.
Today, this home isn't just aesthetically refined, it's spiritually aligned. Every corner invites pause, every step is intentional. Architecture that remembers. So, what did this renovation actually achieve? Let's break it down. Spaces that once felt segmented and disconnected now flow seamlessly. From lounge to dining, from indoors to garden. This makes daily movement easier and more intuitive for the residents. Shaded outdoor spaces are used for gatherings, relaxation, and even remote work during cooler months. Finally, this home now reflects how modern families actually live. Open kitchen visibility, multi-use zones for work or prayer, and minimal surfaces that are easy to maintain. It's not just a more beautiful house, it's a more livable one. Every design decision was made to support a better everyday life for years to come. If you feel your space is misaligned with your soul, you're not alone and you're not far. Design Block is here to help you come home to something deeper. We don't just renovate homes, we reveal what was always meant to be.